All right, so now the time has come where we, as I mentioned, that we are going to be launching a new brand for Malkanzu. It's been 18 years, and of course, I would like to call Meghna on stage before I reveal the new thing. All what has happened to us in the last 18 years is, of course, me and Meghna has been working so hard since so many years, and then we build a team also, Malkanzu team. Then we build a community like you guys. Because of you, we are here. Not because of we, you are here. Right? आपने हमको support किया, आपने हमको हम पे विश्वास किया, trust किया कि you can get coached by us, and that's why we are here. So thank you so much for all the love and support so far for Malkanzu. And now, as we go to the new journey of Malkanzu and reveal something new, and we don't know whether we'll do it or not. We also don't know whether we'll be successful or not, but we are going for it, right? And that's how we always have operated, and I want you to follow that path, that if you want to go for something big, you just have to get started. And if your vision is clear, if your purpose is clear, if you have the right environment, things will fall in place. You will get the right people, you will get the right coach, you will get the right community and things. But you cannot wait for all the things to turn green and then trade. आज अभी जो जैसे ट्रेड की बात की कि आज का जो सिग्नल है उस पे मुझे ट्रेड करना है. मुझे ये नहीं पता है कि वो उसी तरह से जाएगा जैसे हमने अभी 2020 का देखा. बट आज का सिग्नल बोलता है कि यहाँ पे कुछ करना चाहिए या कल का बोलेगा जो भी हमने डिस्कस किया. So you just go as per today's plan. We don't know what's going to happen in the future. But today we decided that we are going to launch, we are going to rebrand this company which we have built since last 18 years with lots and lots of love, passion and hard work. And of course, I would like to invite Meghna before we reveal the new identity of Malkanzu. Can we have Meghna on stage, please? One, two, and three.
Good morning, everyone.
Yes. So we are all set?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, it's
excited.
Have a seat, have a seat. Thank you. So we are having actually goosebumps, and we are actually feeling nervous at the same time excited, right? And I'm going to talk about all this nervous and excitement, anxiety, and anticipation in the next few sessions, which will clear some of your emotions, right? So now it's time to reveal our new brand and new logo. And we have made like a 1-minute video for that to reveal the new brand. And are you guys ready? Yeah. All right, let's watch this video. What do you think? How many of you know what does moonshot mean? Do you know what does moonshot mean? कुछ बहुत कम लोग हैं, right? So that's what the whole day is going to be. Moonshot is something which you, as we say that you go for the moon. And if you go for the moon, you land up in the stars, right? So it's like a very big goal. in life. And so far, हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से बहुत सारी चीज़ें सोच रहे थे कि क्या ब्रांड होगा, क्या नाम होगा, क्या होगा. Of course, our preference was that we wanted to do something with M, because M is lucky for me, right? So बहुत सारे इसके अंदर angles है. Of course, there will be a numerology angle also for sure, but there has to be a meaning. And AI यूज़ कर लो, न्यूमरोलॉजी यूज़ कर लो, बहुत सारे वियर्ड नाम आते हैं, बट वो ऐसा लगता नहीं कि अभी आप बोलो स्विगी या जोमैटो, उसका कुछ मीनिंग नहीं है. बट वैसे एक वर्ड है, चलो वो भी ब्रांड बन गया, बट हमको ऐसा कुछ चाहिए था, ऐसा कुछ भी नाम रख सकते थे जो मीन कुछ नहीं करेगा लेकिन अच्छा लगेगा. बट हमको चाहिए कि कुछ मीन करे. और आफ्टर we were like, kya kare? And then suddenly this name, I was watching one video, and this word was repeated so many times, and then it actually like, this is what we need. And then we asked the numerologist that, ye naam hai. He said, perfect, isse better nahi ho sakta hai. And like, this is how it falls like magician. And we are going for the moonshot. Moonshot means you are going for a very big goal. Are you guys all ready for a moonshot? Yes or no? In your life, all of us want to go for a moonshot, be it financially, emotionally, whatever it is. So what I want is, of course, she's going to take you through the whole session today on what moonshot is and how you can, would you like to design your moonshot today here? Understand what is your moonshot? I'll give you a framework on how to achieve your moonshot, and I'll give you tools and techniques, and I'll give you the roadmap for your next big goal. Guys, ready? Yes or no? We have moonshot on the brand already there, and we are going to have, of course, while you have a tea break, I have something interesting for you, which is, as a brand, I want everyone to, while you go back to your tea break, you collect one t-shirt, which is this, with this new logo and new brand, and I want all of you to wear tomorrow, okay? Are we all going to the moon? Yes. Are we all going for the moon shot? Yes? So let's start. Take this while you're going for the tea break, and tomorrow for sure everybody will be wearing, we'll have a group picture and a group photo. So thank you so much, and we are super excited for this one. We started our journey 2008, Malkan's View, and it was like, उस टाइम पे भी यही दुविधा थी कि क्या नाम रखे. And I had this कि हम जिस तरह से सिखाना चाहते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट, हम जिस तरह से present, by the way, is this going streaming live to all the TIM students? Can we have Zoom session कहीं पे दिख रहा है? Okay. If you're watching online, thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll see you again in the Zoom studio again. So we have been thinking about this name कि क्या नाम रखे, and Malkan's View. इसलिए हमको एक अलग तरीके से स्टॉक मार्केट सिखाना है. हमारा एक व्यू है कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, और वो व्यू काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग था और डिफरेंट था. काफी लोगों ने अपोज किया, काफी लोगों ने बोला ये नहीं चलेगा, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, कौन आएगा, तुमको क्या आता है, तुम क्या सिखाओगे, ऑल दैट. But we were like, we had our own view, and we stuck to our view that this is possible. This can be done. This is the need of the hour for that point of time. And we continued that journey for 18 years. And it was not easy. It was not easy. Yes? Would you like to add that, how the journey was for 18 years?
Yeah, so this is something that started with pure passion. If you've seen the earlier pictures of how the journey started, it was a residential apartment and a bedroom of that apartment where we used to have chairs and just 5 people learn technical analysis, the basics, just over the weekend because Vishal was too passionate to start teaching people. So that was where it started. That was where Malkan's View was formed initially. That led to forming Malkan's View. All the way to taking one step, and most of the time, we will discuss this when we talk about moonshot. Most of the time, the step that you take ahead in the journey, you take in the dark. You don't know what's coming. Do you agree to this? How many of you have experienced this? So I think we took a lot of steps in the dark.
Yes,
not knowing
absolutely,
what's
means
come.
we don't know anything. मतलब चालू कर दिया, राइट मुझे पता है कि पहला प्रोग्राम लाइक लेट मी गो बिफोर दिस स्टोरी वुड यू लाइक टू नो व्हाट हैपेंड हाउ एक्चुअली accidentally I became a trainer. Yes, do you know that? Not many of you know that. Not many times I've even shared it. So yesterday we spoke about Dr. C.K. Narayan's session, and he was teaching in Bombay Stock Exchange as a training mentor for technical analysis. तो मैं तो 2-3 बार कर चुका था कोर्स और एडवांस कोर्स में भी गया था और एक एडवांस कोर्स में हमको एक टेस्ट दिया गया था बैक टेस्टिंग का तो वो उस टाइम पे तो लैपटॉप में हाथ से बैक टेस्टिंग करके 6 रूल बनाए थे मैंने और एक दिन जब वो सबको सबमिट करना था होमवर्क तो मैंने सबमिट कर दिया था और दूसरे दिन शाम को 7 बजे क्लास होता है तो मैं थोड़ा लेट पहुंचा बारिश की वजह से तो मैं अंदर पहुंचा ना तो सब लोग खड़े हो गए और क्लैप करने लगे तो मेरे को लगा मजाक चल रहा है मैं लेट आया इसलिए लोग मेरी टांग खींच रहे हैं तो then said no sir said that you did a fantastic job with your assignment and I have taken 40 copies of your assignment and distributed to all 40 of them and told them that this is how back testing has to be done. तो ये था फर्स्ट स्टेप फिर और एक बेसिक एडवांस कोर्स हो गया फिर और एक बेसिक कोर्स चालू था तो एक दिन मुझे फोन आया सुबह बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज से और बोला कि डॉक्टर सी के नारायण जो वहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेटर था मेरे फ्रेंड थे तो ही सेड दैट सर ने बोला है कि सर आज थोड़ा बिजी है आज का सेशन तुम ले सकते हो बोला मैं सिखाऊंगा तो बोला हाँ तो क्या टॉपिक है बोला कैंडलस्टिक मेरे को बोला आता तो है लेकिन सिखाना नहीं आता है बोला ठीक है कर लेंगे हम लोग दोनों मिलके कर लेंगे बोला वो भी टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट था तो मैंने ठीक है चलो आ जाता हूँ सो आई वेंट देयर एंड आई टॉट माई candlestick session and people loved it and I loved it more to teach कि ये तो सही है I am enjoying this because I am passionate about this so और एक बार फिर से बुलाया फिर पूरा मेरा एक बैच हुआ अलग से सर वो कोऑर्डिनेटर ने बोला अभी तुम्हारा अलग से एक बैच करते हैं and I said okay then I did one more batch and then I said like this is interesting and side by side वो 2007-8 का market crash and that happened and I said let's start this and that's how the whole Malkanzu Training Institute started in our residential thing and 5-6 students मुझे पता है कि पहली बार वो प्रमोट करने के लिए मैं जेरोक्स वाले के पास बैठा था और उसके साथ DTP पे एक ब्रोशर बना रहा था 1 पेजर और वो सुबह 5 बजे बोरीवली के स्टेशन पे जाके न्यूज़पेपर में डाल रहे थे कि ये टेक्निकल एनालिसिस का क्लास होने वाला है सैटरडे संडे को आ जाना this is the amount this is the fees call me and my personal phone number for that to contact and register for this program और ऐसे कुछ बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक थे हम लोग ने तो 5-10 हज़ार पैम्पलेट छपा के न्यूज़पेपर में डाले तो 5 स्टूडेंट आए थे और उसमें से भी 4 हमारे दोस्त थे right so this is how it started but we kept on going and from one room to the first event we did was club we did some smaller seminars in Jai Hind College we did at Prabodhan Thakre in Borivali एक बार ऐसा 200 जन का ऑडिटोरियम था और 12 लोग बैठे थे खाली फर्स्ट रो में उसमें से भी 6-7 लोग पहचान वाले थे kept on going all that so many things then we started doing ABCT and then we started doing Mumbai Bangalore Chennai Rajkot Surat एक बार पूरा चेन्नई में फ्लड हो गया और ABCD पूरा कैंसिल करके सबको रिफंड करना पड़ा we kept on going and then COVID हो गया then everything shut we said चलो अब क्या करेंगे then we watched UPW then we said Tony Robbins and said अगर वो कर सकता है तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ स्टूडियो बनाएंगे नया ऑफिस लिया था नया फर्नीचर था 6 महीने के अंदर तोड़ के बोला अभी इसको स्टूडियो बनाओ स्टूडियो बनाया पता नहीं था कि कैसे सब होगा कैमरा एंड ऑल दैट जो सेटअप आप देख रहे हो अभी कितना आसान हो गया अभी यहाँ पे भी लगा है स्टूडियो पीपल आर वॉचिंग हियर सो वी डिडंट नो एनीथिंग बट वी टुक दैट स्टेप एज शी मेंशन्ड इन द डार्क चांद पे जाना है तो अंधेरे से तो गुजरना पड़ेगा यस और नो and if you keep going then you will see the light so that's the whole journey and that's a lot of incidences I can talk about it's an 18-year journey I cannot talk in next 10-20 minutes so it's basically what it means that we took a moonshot तभी हमको पता नहीं था कि ये moonshot है और इसलिए हमको पता अब लगा 18 साल लगे यहाँ तक पहुँचने में राइट अब हमको पता ये सब करते करते कि अगर कोई नेक्स्ट moonshot करना है जो हमको करना है तो we will not take 18 years. We want to do in 18 months. right? And that's why we are here. So that's why the name, it resonates with my personality, our brand, that we are always going for something big, out of the zone, in the dark, and whatever it takes, right? So Moonshot is where Malkanji was only known for stock trading, stock training. Of course, उसमें बहुत बड़ा रोल माइंडसेट का था, but वो बैक फुट पे था, बैक डोर पे था. और उसी की वजह से काफी लोगों को रिजल्ट मिला है जो आप लोग यहाँ पे शेयर करते हो. So we are taking that mindset work in the front now. As you know, we already launched Dream Life Accelerator. There is an app coming up. There is a planned program coming up. There is an event coming up called Money Fest very soon. And then, of course, we are so passionate about super teens. So Malkanju is only stock training. Moonshot is stock training is one part of it. Then super teens, teenagers training. And then, of course, Money Fest, which is training your mind for money. Mindset, सब blueprint automatic जो success की बात करते हैं, अगर वो नहीं होगा तो stock market हो या कोई भी field हो, पैसा नहीं बनता है. Because the way we are wired. So we want to focus on money mindset, super teens, and stock trading. And in the future, we have two or three more things to go, which I will reveal as we go further. So I know you might be thinking, sir, you always say go deep, not broad. We went deep for 18 years before we are going broad, right? And if you have to think in that terms, master one thing so strong, then you go to the next thing. Go for Moonshot, बहुत सारे चांद एक ही होता है. Do you understand? So you always go for one big moonshot, and then you go for the next. If you go for 10 different things, कुछ नहीं हाथ में आएगा.